This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. We're making something. Come on. Twins. Keep still, Tim. It's tickling me. Topsy and I are making cardboard cut-out twins. We're using the cardboard box our neighbour Mr. Fishwick gave us. Nearly done, Tim. There we are. I've drawn around your whole body. Wow. Mummy!
Yes, Tim?
Come and see. Look at my cardboard twin, Tim.
Oh, that's great, Tim. I'll cut yours out just like Topsy's twin.
My cardboard twin.
Yes, here we go. Looks great.
Topsy's twin looks great cut out. Hello, Tim. Hello, twin Topsy. She doesn't really look like me yet. She needs a face. I'm going to go and colour her face in.
Hold that bit there for me. Leg. There. There you go. All cut out.
Thank you, Mummy. Now I'm going to colour my twin in. If we've moved Topsy to here, then you can put twin Tim over here. Thank you. Her eyes, well, her other one goes here. I'm going to give twin Tim a big smiling mouth. And I'm going to give her brown eyes. Actually, no, purple. It'll look funny.
Great colouring in, twins. I'll get the door.
Hello, I'm here. Hi, Tony. Hello, Tony. May I have the red? What are you doing, Topsy and Tim? That's orange. We're colouring in our twins. Tony Belch and his mum have come round to pick up our old baby basket. Ready for Tony's new baby brother to sleep in when he's born.
Right, your milk's on the side, children. Come on, Elaine, let's go up and get the baby basket.
This is twin Tim. Hello. I'm twin Tim. Hello, I'm Tony. Tony, do you want to colour this in with me? Yes, I'm really fast at colouring in. Me too. Careful! Sorry, Topsy. Let's dance! Oh, I know! Music! Yay! Look, Tony! Fun, fun, fun! La la la! Woo! Yay! Tim can be King Twin Tim. Yay! I found you, King Twin Tim. I think King Twin Tim wants some milk. Yay! Let's sit him in. Careful. Milk for King Twin Tim.
Tony, your mum's going now. Come on.
Enjoy your milk, Your Majesty. Stop, 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 stop. Bye, Tony.
Much for the baby clothes and the baby basket, Joy.
Oh, you're welcome. In fact, when we move, would you like Topsy and Tim's bunk beds?
Really? We'd love your bunk beds, wouldn't we, Tony?
Yeah? No! You can't give our bunk beds away to Tony.
Oh, Tim, you'll have separate bedrooms in the new house with a new bed each.
But you can't give them away.
We'll talk about it another time. Bye, Tim. Come on, Tony.
You
Bye, Tim. Bye, Joy.
Oh, bye, Tony. See you soon. Thanks for coming. Bye. Bye.
There are bunk beds, Mum. You can't give them away. Topsy! 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 Guess what Mummy said? She said that Tony World can have our bunk beds when we move to a new house. What happened to King Twin Tim? I just knocked milk over him. I didn't mean to. Sorry, Tim. Mummy, Topsy ruined King Twin Tim.
I'm sure King Twin Tim will be fine once we dry him off. Come and help me, Tim.
Sorry, sorry, sorry. Topsy's ruined King Twin Tim. And Mummy's giving away our bunk beds. Mummy, why are you giving away our bunk beds to Elaine?
Well, they'll need more beds when the new baby comes.
I've just never slept on the top bunk before. It's not fair. Tim! A bit later, I take Tim a biscuit to say sorry. Sorry about King Twin Tim. It's okay. Thanks for the biscuit. I like it down here on the bottom bunk. It's all cosy. I like it up here in the top bunk. It's so high. I know. Why don't we swap bunks? From tonight. Till we move house. Until Tony Welch gets our bunk beds.
Okay, King Twin Tim is nearly dry, Tim. There you go.
Thank you. Mummy, we've decided that we want to swap bunks.
Oh.
Tonight. Until Tony Welch gets our bunk beds.
Okay, well, I think that's a really good idea, but not tonight, okay?
Oh.
I tell you what, if you help me tidy the bedroom, you can do it from tomorrow night. Okay?
Yay! And that's when Mummy said, soon people will be coming to look at our house.
Soon, people will be coming to look at our house.
Who? What people?
People who want to buy our house. And they want to come and see if they want to live here.
They would like to live in this room.
I think they'd really like this room, wouldn't they?
This room is very big.
It's very big and lovely, but only when it's tidy. So help me clean it up.
Look! And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today we made cardboard twins. But can you remember what we put on Twin Tim's head to make him King Twin Tim? Was it a sun hat? Or was it a crown? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is a crown. Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.